Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this very lovely Volkswagen Polo SE DSG. Now this very pleasant vehicle has currently done 7,638 miles and it's had one previous owner from new. It's finished in the colour Blue Silk Metallic, and if you'd like more information please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now taking a look around the vehicle here, starting at the front, you do have daytime running lights there below along with your fog lamps. Very nice feature to have. Now around to the side, the vehicle does sit very nicely on 15-inch alloy wheels. You do have your indicator integrated into the door mirror there on the side. Now let's take a look inside to the rear of the vehicle. Now inside here at the rear you've got 3 seats. You do have a nice fabric effect with a nice checkered in the centre. There are ISOFIX points, you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. And now round to the rear, you have your Polo TSI Blue Motion badging. And to open up the boot, you simply push the VW badge in. And it'll pop open to reveal plenty of storage space. You also have this false boot floor that can be lifted up to provide you with a nice deeper space as well. You can easily fit a weekly shop in there. Make it very handy. There are tethering points as well, so you can tighten any loads down. Now let's take a look inside to the front of the vehicle. Inside here you have your leather multifunction steering wheel. You have a nice gloss black effect on it as well. You have your front seats here and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. A nice feature you have as well is an armrest with some storage inside. You can adjust the height of it as well. Now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this vehicle has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you have your electric mirror adjustments that include heating and folding. Now with the folding, it's a very great feature to have, as you can quickly fold the mirrors in to keep them protected, as it prevents them from being knocked off by other road users, say if you park on a narrow road for example. You have your electric window switches there for the front and rear windows. You do have automatic headlights, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road. You have your wiper sock there behind the steering wheel. You also have some controls here for the display in between the dials in the instrument cluster. You can access your standard vehicle information such as your miles to the gallon. You also have your driver assist features with your front assist, which detects potential hazards ahead and can emergency brake if necessary to prevent or reduce impact. You can access your compass there. You can also find last destinations if you quickly need to go back somewhere, such as your home address or somewhere you've been before. Now here on the left you do have your adaptive cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time, allowing you to drive more comfortably and have less strain in your foot when you arrive. Here you can change the distance on how far the vehicle keeps from another vehicle in front, and it will reduce speed if necessary to ensure there is that space there, and will go fast again when the vehicle changes lane for example. And you have the room to go back to that speed. You have your touchscreen infotainment screen here. You can access DAB, FM and AM radio, which allows you to easily find and tune your favourite stations for the vehicle. And with DAB you have nice clear audio quality as it's digital. You can also connect your own source of audio. You have USB, Bluetooth and auxiliary input. And of course with your Bluetooth you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to. You can search for devices from the vehicle. You do have navigation, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease with the easy-to-follow guidance. You can also look at traffic updates as well. If there's any reports of traffic on any roads, it'll alert you, so you can be aware if you're heading in that direction. You can add a new destination address here by searching in. You also have some vehicle information you can access, such as your driving data, vehicle statuses, if there's any messages from the vehicle there that show up. You also have your Think Blue trainer, which will tell you how fuel efficient you're driving. You have front and rear parking sensors to give you added confidence when parking in tighter spaces by making you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle, of things you may not be able to see. You do also have front heated seats with 2 different temperature options, so you can keep nice and warm. It's a very well equipped Polo. They do say great things come in small packages. You have a heated rear windscreen as well. And below here you have your air conditioning. It has a nice, solid, sturdy feel to it. It's clearly labelled as well, so you know what you're making adjustments to. Now below here you have your DSG gear selector, and behind it you have some storage. Thanks for watching this video on the Volkswagen Polo SE DSG. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.